I've always wanted to try almond butter, so I got some from the bulk barn instead of buying like a big pack. I usually do, it's in like a jam jar, but I usually do sunflower seed butter. So we are gonna try and make a little rice cake with banana, cinnamon, and sunflower seed or almond butter. Okay, so I just have this one from the dollar store. Not anything special, you can find these anywhere. They're just brown rice cakes. Smells really good. It's very thick. You can spread it properly without cutting or without breaking it. That didn't work. Just eating them all. And it is as simple as that. Okay, I already tried it because I was filming what I ate in a day, but I added some flaky sea salt, and it's really, really good. Next, I want to try cashew butter. So, that'll be next, but this is really good. Okay. Thanks for making breakfast with me.